This review focuses on the Mueller 5-in-1 jar opener bottle opener can opener. It is described as ergonomic and skid-proof in design, intended for children, elderly, and arthritis sufferers. The listing emphasizes non-slip handles and ease of grip between the opener and the hand or lid. The product is lightweight and claims to replace several bulky tools. User comments from alternate listings mention that it grips perfectly and makes life so much easier. Some caution that on very stuck lids, extra effort is still needed. When I tested it, I tried small jars, medium sauce jars, and cans with pull rings. The non-slip handle held firm, and the tool allowed me to twist lids with less wrist torque. For the pull tab can, the opener's hook support helped lift the tab. Because it is lighter in build, I could feel slight flex under heavy load. Not a deal breaker, but something to note. For everyday moderate tasks, it performed quite well. It's a solid mid-tier opener for those who want a multifunction tool without spending too much. It doesn't have as many advanced features, like corkscrew, but serves the main needs well. If you want a good balance of utility and affordability, this is worthy of your consideration. Don't forget, we share by links in the description box.